Hello and welcome to the Guess What Car Engine. Which engine is in the cars? Part 1. Here we have a Miramar. It's, I guess, green. And it has the normal sound. I'll give you 5 seconds to guess the engine. And then I'll play another clip where I drive with the car. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna reveal the answer. This sound is the sound of the engine sound is the normal car, but the exhaust sound is a V6 16 automation engine. I hope you guessed. Tell me in the comments if you guessed it, and I'll see you next time.